everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into a really fun and unique piece of gear, the Reusable Film Camera 35 Reloadable Waterproof Film Camera. This isn't just another gadget. It's a gateway to capturing memories with a distinct vintage charm, and it's surprisingly versatile. First off, let's talk about its core appeal. This camera is designed to bring back the joy of film photography without the complexity. It's a 35mm reloadable camera, meaning one can load it with their favorite 35mm film, shoot, develop, and then reload it for their next adventure. It truly embodies the spirit of reusability, making it an eco-friendlier and more sustainable choice than disposable cameras. And despite its simple, almost toy-like appearance, it's built to record those precious moments, whether one is chasing sunsets or exploring bustling city streets. One of its standout features is its waterproof capability. Each camera comes with a robust waterproof housing, offering 5 meters of water resistance. This means one can take it with them to the beach, by the pool, or even for some shallow underwater shots. Imagine capturing those unique perspectives from beneath the surface. Just remember, it's not designed for prolonged underwater use, so keep those aquatic sessions brief. The camera boasts a 28mm lens, which is fantastic for a wide range of subjects, from portraits of friends to captivating still life scenes. What's truly remarkable is its focus-free design. One doesn't need to worry about fiddling with settings, just point and shoot. This simplicity, combined with the inherent advantages of film for fixed-focus photography, delivers beautiful, authentic images that digital cameras often struggle to replicate. Plus, it's completely battery-free. All one needs to do is toggle a lever to advance the film, and they're ready for their next shot. A huge part of its charm comes from the aesthetic. The photos it produces have that unmistakable vintage-inspired look, perfect for documenting daily life, travels, and special moments with a nostalgic flair. And if one loves to express their personality, they'll be thrilled to know it comes in 18 different styles, each with its own unique character. However, it's important to set expectations. This waterproof camera does not have a flash, so it performs best in well-lit outdoor conditions, especially bright sunlight. When one ventures into low-light environments, there's a higher chance their photos might turn out underexposed, lost, or even completely blank. So plan shots accordingly to get the best results. Also, remember that the camera comes without film, so one will need to purchase their preferred 35mm film separately to start shooting. In essence, this reusable film camera is a lightweight, easy to use, and incredibly fun tool for anyone looking to capture memories with a unique retro touch. It's perfect for casual photographers, travelers, or anyone who appreciates the tangible beauty of film. It's not just a camera, it's a memory keeper, offering a refreshing break from the digital world.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.